create an AI video using just text, here's how you can do it for free. First, write a clear and concise script. For example, if you're teaching Python, keep your explanation simple and direct. Next, choose a free AI text-to-video tool like Kapwing or Veed.io. Paste your script, select an avatar or stock footage, and let the tool generate your video automatically. To make your video stand out, add visuals related to your topic, like code snippets for tutorials. Don't forget to enable subtitles so viewers can follow along easily. When you're done, export your video. Free versions might have a watermark, but that's fine for shorts. Finally, upload your video to YouTube, use a catchy title, and add trending hashtags. That's it. Fast, simple, and completely free. Follow for more tips and creative hacks.